Police in New South Wales have made a significant drug bust, uncovering nearly 900 kilograms or around $820 million worth of methamphetamine inside a shipment from the United States. Reporter Charlie Mills joins us now from Sydney. Hi there. How were police able to uncover these drugs?
Well, Lorna, the shipments were located in two large industrial machines that were being exported from the US here to New South Wales. Now, it's said that the amount found in those machines equates to about 9 million individual street sales. So the operation began when the Australian Federal Police received an anonymous tip on Crime Stoppers, as well as some intelligence that came through from US Homeland Security. Australian Border Force were able to scan and screen a package that had come through looking for narcotics as well as using dogs. They then drilled through both concrete and metal, identifying some powder in that consignment, which contained two CNC machines. The powder was tested and found to be meth. So the Australian Border Force unpacked about 896 kilograms of individually wrapped packets of methamphetamine. The drugs were then removed and the consignment was delivered to a property on at Warwick Farm on Wednesday. A southwest Sydney man from Winston Hills was there, and he tried to start unpacking that consignment, where police then arrested him and have charged him with attempting to possess a commercial quantity of methamphetamine. They then enacted some search warrants at that property, as well as some homes in Minto and Western Hills.
Charlie, what else did the authorities at that news conference have to say?
Well, there were some significant concerns raised over what that really high amount of methamphetamine that was found. Australian Federal Police Detective Superintendent Peter Fogarty spoke just a short time ago.
almost 900 kilos is really a massive amount of drugs. So I think there is, very much an organised crime syndicate behind this, a much bigger syndicate who has access to large sums of money in order to bring these sorts of quantities of drugs to Australia.
So some real concerns over what is a massive amount of methamphetamine coming into Australia and potentially the people who could be behind it. Now, investigations are ongoing and police are working towards further arrests. The Australian Border Force has also warned this morning that their scanning capability and screening is able to identify those narcotics even when there are really complex measures used, as there was here, including concrete and metal. They say they're able to find those whenever they can, using officer intuition as well as the technology at hand. So a real warning going out to people engaged in those dealings.